welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified for all my future videos. Vamos a empezar. Hola mi gente, welcome back to my channel DIY with Anais. I'm so glad you can join me today on another video. Now today is St. Patty's Day. I am releasing this video on St. Patty's Day, and I have a polygel kit here from Double Dipped Nails. I'll link all their stuff down below. Now this might be a little late because this polygel kit is actually like a Christmas kit, and they had reached out to me and said if I still wanted to try it out, because when it first came out, y'all, like, this thing was popping and everyone wanted it and it sold out so quick. And then it was around the time of Christmas, so you know how like the mail was like literally backed up for weeks at a time. So anyways, I finally got my hands on it and I'm really excited because I'm going to show y'all how I can turn a Christmas kit into a wonderful anything kit you really want. Today I'm going to turn it into a St. Patty's Day. I don't celebrate St. Patty's Day. I don't have any Irish in my blood. However, I think it's a perfect excuse to come up with a really cute nail design. So that's what I did, y'all. This kit comes with standard things that regular polygel kits come with. Your base coat, your top coat, slip solution, really cute nail lamp, 2 glitters, your nail forms, and your dual forms. And I'm sorry, y'all. I did not actually take anything like out, so I don't know what's under the box. But I don't think there's any nail forms. I just saw dual forms. Your brush, 100, I think 180 file, not too sure. And then it comes with 6 15 milliliter polygel glitters, and these glitters are really, really pretty, y'all. It comes with like a green, silver, red, gold, blue, I believe is the next one, and then like a lighter blue. So it has a nice wide range of colors. I wouldn't even like consider this a Christmas kit only. Like, I feel like you can use it for so many different things. And then it came with like some gems, some stickers, and obviously I'm not going to use Christmas stickers right now, so I will use that maybe for like another season. Alright, y'all, so I am using my Red Iguana hands because y'all know I've been doing my nails lately and they're cute and purple right now and I'm not trying to mess with them. So my Red Iguana hand is prepped and ready. I used the Attitude Shop XXL. I've just been really loving them. C-curved, tapered, squared tips, and I used the 3-in-1 Burano as a nail glue and as a base coat. So I went ahead and did that, and then I purchased these stickers like specifically for today because I was like, oh my gosh, I don't have anything for St. Patty's Day. Like, I really don't have any stickers. Y'all, Amazon played me. I thought these stickers gonna be so much bigger, and I was actually planning to do like press on nails, but when I saw they were so tiny, I was like, this is not gonna work. So me la inventé, and I literally just invented something else. I was just like, you know what, déjame sacar algo de aquí, because obviously what I had in mind isn't gonna work. So I tried something new. Honestly, not gonna lie, y'all, I winged this. Like, I totally winged this look, and it came out really nice. Like, it's a very St. Patty's themed look. So I hope y'all appreciate that. So the objective, I guess, of using the stickers on the bottom was kind of just to do like an ombre on the top. And the stickers are kind of just like show out as like, as like an accent. So at first I used the Uhuhu pink, and y'all know this is like my go-to pink. Like, it's just like the perfect opaque pink. So I went ahead and put like 2 big beads on these 2 fingers to kind of do an ombre. But by the time like I actually like ombred it out, I realized that like it's too light to show. Like, it's too light, and the color, like, kind of, the sticker showed through the color, basically. And I was just like, yeah, that ain't gonna work. So, you know, obviously I didn't want to, like, start out over. I was really not trying to start all over, and I kind of just, like, took this as a learning opportunity. And y'all, I went with something, like, kind of completely different, but not really completely different. So I finished the ombre, and then I was like, you know what, let me try to color, or at least trying to make the transition from the sticker to the pink a little more seamless. So I cured that for 60 seconds, and I ended up using the green glitter. And y'all, you're gonna be like so confused and be like, what the heck, this looks really ugly. Nah, stick with me, don't leave. I'm gonna show you how I did this. Like, sometimes mistakes can be really used as, like, something else. Like, you can be creative and, you know, not, I guess, go with the flow, you know? So I'm ombreing out the glitter, and I really love this polygel from Double Dip. I love the consistency. I haven't, like, tried any of their polygel kits besides this one, so I don't have anything to base it off. This was their, like, first time releasing polygel. So based off of first time trying it, like, I really liked the consistency. I've tried glitters that are honestly horrible, and este, like, was really good. So I appreciated the consistency, and it was very easy to work with. Now, it may look like I'm having trouble with it, but it's because the stickers doesn't have a base coat on top of it, so I'm basically just putting polygel on top of a sticker, so keep that in mind. However, I cured that, and then I put some more pink on top to make that transition a little more seamless. And you see me here, like, really ombreing it out now. Like, now it looks seamless. Now it doesn't look like pink sticker. Now it looks like very seamless, and it looks a lot better than before. So I ombreed that out, and then I cured that for 60 seconds. And then basically you want to just, like, clear cap. It's really important to clear cap, especially if you just have, like, a sticker under, or even if you have, like, ombres, like, solo. Like, sometimes it's better to clear cap, and you can clear cap with anything you want. I think that sometimes we get stuck with just, like, clear capping with polygel, but I've clear capped with polygel. This is Acrygel, which is a little thinner in consistency. I've clear capped with Builder Gel. I've even clear capped with, like, a bunch of layers of top coat. And I've clear capped with acrylic. Really, it depends on what you like, what you want, and your preference. If your preference is to do it with Acrygel, then do what you gotta do, girl. So I just decided to do it with Acrygel because that's what I had on hand. So the next thing that I'm doing, I was aiming for, like, you know, like, Luck of the Irish. Like, have you ever, the box in front of Lucky Charms? Like, I was trying to do, like, the rainbow, you know, like a gold rainbow. So I think it came out honestly really cute. I tried to keep the gold flakes, like, in an angle, and it ended up working out pretty good. The base coat was, like, sticky enough for the foil to stick, so I didn't have to, like, put polygel under, like, a thin layer of polygel, and then put the gold. The gold flakes were sticking very well, and the base coat was, like, very suffice. So eso trabajó bien. And like I said, I'm keeping, like, the gold flakes in an angle because I was thinking of, like, that rainbow with, like, a pot of gold in the ends. So that's what I was aiming for. Now, like I said, those stickers deceived me, alright, y'all. Like, I really thought they were, like, some other thing. I don't even know what I'm gonna use them for, but I'm obviously gonna have to use them because I bought them and I don't want to waste them. So I ended up, like, cutting out the pot of gold with the rainbow because, like, how else am I gonna do it? Like, I can't just put this white sticker. It's, like, not gonna work. So I just cut out that part and I sticked it on the pinky, and it came out really, really cute, y'all. Like, it wasn't horrible, like, I wasn't mad at it. I just put it on the pinky, and then I ended up clear capping with acrygel once again, and like curing that for 60 seconds. With the index finger and the pinky, I ended up doing an ombre with the blue glitter and the green glitter that I used from my middle fingers, and kind of just like ombre that out, and I mixed the blue and green as much as I could. I wasn't really trying to be picky with it, I just wanted both colors to blend, so that would get like a seamless flow. So it came out really cute, y'all. And then of course clear cap, cure for 60 seconds, and I don't know if it was like my application or whatever, but it this polygel took like more than 60 seconds to cure. That's not something that bothers me, but I just wanted to like put that out there. Alright, y'all, so I cured that for, I believe, about 90 seconds, not gonna lie, and it was very, very sticky residue, so I just grabbed like a lint-free wipe and just cleaned it with 70% rubbing alcohol. You can use whatever you have. Rubbing alcohol works. I've also used like slip solution, like that also works. Whatever you have in hand, y'all. So I clean my nails, and then I go ahead and buff, shape, and file everything. And I've said this before, I'm really picky when it comes to filing on my red iguana hands, and I specifically leave just how I file on my channel when it comes to the red iguana hand, because sometimes like other YouTubers make it look so easy on like filing on their red iguana hand, and honestly, like, I pay a lot of money for even a half hand, and I really want to take care of her, so I am very, very careful. I actually take out the nail, I file everything by hand, and I want to be as careful as possible. I'm not a professional, so obviously, like, I don't have the skill that maybe like nail techs have, so I definitely want to be as careful as possible. So if you're like me and you want to be as careful as possible, like, do what you got to do to take care of your reticula hand or your practice hand in general, you know? All right, y'all. So I cleaned everything off. I went ahead with top coat, and you might be like, oh, is she done? Like, is that it? No, girl, I'm not done. So I did everything with top coat because I ended up using like a new adhesive glue from Jelly Nails, and I have a code with them, Anais 10%, so make sure you go ahead and use that. But with this nail look in particular, it's okay to use like a top coat on top and then an adhesive glue, because this adhesive glue is super strong. All right, so what I ended up doing, first I'm going to show you how this looks. So this applicator comes in 2 different ways, which I love. Like, if you feel like you want to squeeze it out today, but go ahead. If you feel like you want to like physically put it on the applicator on the nail, then go ahead. So I got these like little stones. I honestly don't even remember where I got them from. I'm pretty sure it's from like a cheap kit or something. But I squeezed some out, and oh my gosh, this application for gems is so easy. Like, I don't even know why I've never done it like this before, or I've never purchased this before. Like, it's so easy, and y'all, the stones last very long. It's supposed to last 4 to 6 weeks. So, imagínate. That's a long time. So I highly recommend that you get this jelly nail adhesive glue. It's specifically for little rhinestones, and it's supposed to last a very long time, y'all. So I'll link that down below. But that's it, y'all. That's like the end of the video. I hope y'all loved it. It's really out of my box. I'm not that creative when it comes to like really colorful colors. However, I thought that would be perfect for the occasion. I mean, when you think of like St. Patty's Day, you think of like greens, you think of blues, you think even like of reds or yellows and gold. So I definitely embraced the whole holiday. And to those who celebrated, happy St. Patrick's Day. May the luck be with you. And yeah, I really like this nail look. Let me know what y'all think down below. Like I said, it's really out of my box, really out of my like level of expertise, I guess. But it came out so cute, and I totally winged it. So for it to be a winged project, y'all, it came out pretty cute. But y'all, thank you so much for watching. If you're not a part of that DIY Familia, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified for all my future videos. And if you're new here, thank you so much for watching and sticking by me on this whole entire video. Hit that thumbs up button, because y'all know YouTube likes to be funny sometimes. But y'all, as always, nos vemos en la próxima.